Sexting controversy. Shane Warne supports Josh Inglis to replace Tim Paine in Australia's Ashes squad. For the Ashes, Shane Warne is backing Josh Inglis to replace Tim Paine. Paine resigned as Australia Test captain 3 weeks before the Ashes due to a previous inquiry into sexually inappropriate communications to a female colleague. Despite the 36-year claim holds that he had been cleared of any wrongdoing during a misconduct inquiry in 2018, he resigned when he discovered that the messages would be made public. Warne thinks Inglis should take Paine's spot in the squad after he was removed as captain. Despite his belief that Paine should be removed in the Australian Ashes team, Warne says he feels for the 36-year-old skipper. Immediately after the ball tampering controversy in 2018, Paine assumed leadership of the squad, and Warne believes he guided Australia through one of the most trying times in the sport's history. There were 23 tests under Paine's leadership in which Australia won 11, lost 8, and drew. Brisbane hosts the first game of the Ashes series in 2021-22, followed by games in Adelaide, Melbourne, Sydney, and Perth in that order. Fast bowler Pat Cummins is widely expected to replace Australia Test captain Tim Paine, although Steve Smith, the previous skipper who presided over the ball tampering scandal, is also being considered. The 2019 Ashes series between Australia and England ended in a 2-2 tie. Since 1987, England has only swept the Ashes once in Australia.